Today I am going to record a beautiful, very important, and unique pranayama, one of the forms of pranayama that is called Anuloma Viloma Pranayama. Mr. Somshekar is demonstrating by sitting in Padmasana and forming the Dana Mudra or Chin Mudra, placing on his palm and placing on his thighs, and slowly he is taking the breath. So he has formed on his right hand, he has formed Vishnu Mudra, that is, this is called Vishnu Mudra. You have to fold and touch your index finger and ring finger into your Shukra Parva, that is base of the thumb, and other ring finger and little finger should be open up, and it should be the ring finger and little finger should contact with your right side nostril, and left side your thumb should be give and touch. Okay, now he is taking slow breath from his left nostril, which will cool down the body, because this is Chandranadi, called as Chandranadi, and he is holding as much as possible, and he is releasing the breath from his right nostril. So this will take out the toxins from left side to right side, left hemisphere to right hemisphere, from your left lungs to right lungs, and it will take out all your toxins. And once again he is going to inhale the breath from left hand, left nostrils, and holding as much as possible, because the holding of the breath is the energy which he is going to create into the body. So even if you start doing long pranayama by the depth of your heart, it will reduce your appetite also. You need not to take more food to become strengthened. By doing pranayama itself, the oxygen, rich oxygen, he is going to inhale and hold. That too in morning times, it gives a very good strength. All nutrients, this one, other strength giving items, everything will be provided with the oxygen only, and it will reduce your appetite also. Okay, slowly it will reduce. You need not to worry why your appetite is getting lesser. You may become weaker. Nothing will happen. You will be stronger enough by doing these pranayama techniques, and it will finally it will improve your immunity, because lung power will improve. All organs will be improved under the very good control of brain. Since the left and right nostrils are improved, so it will get improved all the organs. Once the organs are improved, the digestion will improve, cardiovascular improve, your blood circulation will improve, that lung power will improve. Finally, this one is your immunity will improve. Now he has relaxed and he has closed the eyes, and he is going to rub his hands. Okay, so the importance of rubbing of the hands is cosmic energy. It is already concentrated on his hand palms, and that cosmic energy will be rubbed and got heated, and he is going to touch all his eyes, nose, face, ears, chest, everything. So that will regularize, and that will take out all your impurities. Please practice this every day. This is one form of this one. I already taught Kapalabhati and then Brahmari Pranayama. This is one more pranayama, form of pranayama. Please do it. Be healthy and make India healthy. Thank you.